Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. So it's Saturday, February the 3rd, and I have a little bit of things to do around the house. So I'm going to be focusing on my morning routine. I'm getting back to the Fly Lady. I'm still doing the 14-week organizational challenge. We just don't have a launch pad and actually had a really busy week. So I was unable to do the launch pad, but I am going to do it this week in conjunction with the living room, because I'm just going to be using a front storage closet. So I'm getting back to that, but this morning I wanted to do my morning routine. So I went to the Fly Ladies page and I wrote down the morning routine is get dressed, make your bed, swish and swipe, empty the dishwasher, do a load of laundry, and then check my calendar. So here's what I'm going to be doing this morning. I am actually going to do a load of laundry. I'll check to see if we have laundry. I'm sure we do. I'm going to focus just on making my bed. The kids will make their beds. I'm going to vacuum the floor in my room. We have a mountain, and I mean a mountain of laundry to fold. It's washed and dried. We're going to change out our swish and swipe water in our bathrooms. Flu season is heavy upon us. They actually closed the dojang for 4 days because we have so much flu throughout the families. Now, we do not have flu, but a lot of the families have it, and when you have multiple siblings and people are passing it from place to place. So I want to make sure that everything in here is swished and swiped, especially the bathrooms and the sink handles. So we're going to do that. Then I'm going to get dressed last. I have an appointment. My sister and I are doing we're doing a presentation this morning for some young girls. It's a purity presentation. And so I'm going to get dressed after I do all my cleaning. So prayerfully, this will only take me about 30 to 45 minutes because I really need to. I should have been out of here by 8:30, but I'm not. So after I do this, I'm going to get dressed and go to my appointment. So we just thought we'd bring you along as we get done with our Saturday morning routine. All right, everybody, so it's really late now. I had to leave for a meeting that lasted a long time, and then I had to come home, take my kids to mime practice. Then we came back home. I had to get meal done, But here's what we were able to get done off of our list. So we did a load of laundry. We actually did a load of laundry. I made the bed. I vacuumed the floor. And we ended up folding about 4 or 5 loads of laundry. So we had a mountain of laundry. The kids, while I was gone, did the swish and swipe in the bathroom. I did get dressed and left for my appointment. So we got accomplished everything on our list. We have put things up. The kids actually hanged clothes and then put clothes in their bedrooms and finished up the laundry for me. And then we left to go out and do some other things. So we just thought we would bring you along as we got some of our lists accomplished for the day. We will have another full list of things to do tomorrow, because we're actually going to be working in week. It's 4 or 5 of the home organization challenge, and it's the living room. And we do have quite a few things to do in the living room. So we're going to bring you along with us as we do that. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. If you like morning routine videos, give us a thumbs up. We're actually jumping back into some of the Fly Lady as well. We start zone 2 tomorrow, and we'll be working on the home organization challenge as well. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by our channel, and until the next time we clean, bye.